Hi, friends. Today I want you to get inspired about these words: be prepared. Now, the term be prepared is a familiar motto that's been used by the Scouts for more than 100 years. For them, being prepared was making sure they had emergency equipment and training to be able to meet any difficult situation that lay before them. But today, I want to ask you to be prepared for great and wonderful surprises. How often do we spend too much time being prepared for what disaster might befall us, but we don't pay attention to the beauty all around us, the surprises that can happen, the love that we can receive? Very often, we receive something good and are ill prepared to receive it because we don't feel good enough about ourselves, or we think maybe it was too much. Today, I want you to be prepared to receive your good graciously and fully. Be prepared to experience the best that life has to offer, and be prepared to let your light shine. God bless you and have a wonderful day. You deserve it.